down! Catch some...
Captain?
I will join you on this voyage.
Then shall we, gentlemen?
You are in a jovial mood, Shay?
Why shouldn't I be? I have a new weapon, and will soon have a chance to use it. Besides, Templars are usually well guarded, and I'm sure that Smith fellow is no exception.
I also took the liberty of ordering some improvements. Morgan now has a ram cut through ice itself.
I have heard of such technology, but never witnessed its operation.
There he is!
Most fortunate timing! Lady Luck never ceases to smile on you.
He's seen us! Give chase!
But hold your fire! We must not damage the box or risk losing it to the sea. Can this blockade go any faster?
At least my ship is still seaworthy, Chevalier.
Our target's a smart man, but out of his element here.
Samuel Smith is the Templar's treasurer. What he's doing in these waters is beyond me.
Maybe he came here to beat someone. He ran into the pirates. He's taking his ship. Something must have happened.
One of my allies attacked him. I would have known about it.
Well, he's back from a long voyage. Now's our chance to get him.
Smith controls most of the Templars' wealth, doesn't he? With him out of the way...
Washington entrusted the precursor box to him. He probably still has it.
Shay's right.
We can't sink him. We'll have to board his ship and force him to beach.
Blood of the deuce! Mist! Ready here! Damn it! Straight to the deep! Sir, to board!
He's cutting through the ice.
Simpleton! You will destroy the box! It seems you're not the only one equipped with such a ram, Shay.
Let us hope ours fares just as well.
It worked. The way is clear.
Now, once more, your fortune holds. But do not waste time congratulating yourself. Smith is getting away.
The boat that holds these waters closely, Captain.
It's an ambush!
Envoyez ici, diable d'enfer! Smith must not escape! Return to the ship!
I don't see Smith's ship!
Let's get rid of these distractions first. We'll find him.
Easy prey, Captain Corbin.
There's the gallant arrive!
Bring them up tight! There's Smith. He's moving again.
No doubt he hoped to be a spectator to your demise.
I'm glad to disappoint him. And he's still within reach.
Sir! To the fore! Fasten it down!
That wind's trouble, Captain Cormac.
Brief it all, Tom!
What wickedness is this?
Another Templar tactic. They can cover whole stretches of ocean with their flames.
Careful, Shay. We could be burnt to cinders.
It's nothing more than a last desperate throw of the dice. He knows we have him.
What's our status?
Taking a hit, Captain!
This must be one of the purest places in the world. So unspoiled.
Those cross-jack yards already. There's not enough rum in the world to warm you up in a place like this. Some shipwrecked cargo here, sir!
Now we know where he was headed. Bastard has an encampment here.
Follow him on land. Do not even think of firing the ship's weapons near that precious box.
I'll take care of this.
Captain overboard! Kill him! Somebody stop him! What are you waiting for? Finish him now! Kill him! Somebody stop him! What are you waiting for? Finish him now!